Yazi empilweni I'm at the point where la ngibonga khona lokho okuncane enginakho. As much as I wish for more, but I don't get myself to be so desperate for into engayona and for izinto enganazo. Mawubuka kahle, most yabantu who are powerful abanegama. I'm talking about the untouchables, people who got money, the billionaires. Abafikanga khona kalula and kunezinto abadlule kuzona esezithi mayivela iba-track it down zibalimaza. Lento yokufuna impilo enobukhazikhazi, it comes at a price. I've seen it so many times. Yes, siyayithanda izinto, siyakuthanda ukuphumelela, siyakuthanda ukuhlala ama-mansion, kodwa kukancane la uthola ukuthi umuntu kwi-mansion everything about him or her is clean. kukancane abanye you'll find ukuthi they fighting demons ekungelula ukuthi baphume kuona. Abanye uzothola ukuthi they don't sleep at night. Abanye uzothola ukuthi umuntu uzenza ngathi uhappy kanti uyazi ukuthi vele in a couple of months kunengane yakhe kumele ihambe emhlabeni ukuze amaintain lo mcebo. Angamane ngihlale nginje ngulo Paul wafana ngeke. Yazi you find people aba so desperate, they're trying even to sign bad contracts in ama secret societies because they want to live a good life. It's not a good life if kunento engemumva ekujoja ngothi endunu. It's not a good life. Yabona kulezi zinto lezi ugcina usuwazi ukuthi money is not everything. You can have a lot of money, but uma unento emile kanje ewuthi licijile endunu yakho elikwenza breathe, that's not a good life. Yes, you can have millions, but uthola ukuthi lawo ma-million awusawa enjoy. I was just looking at the internet nje, looking at OPD, Jay-Z, TD Jakes, in. Why these things are coming for only black people? Ushuthi abantu abamhlophe bona abazenzi yini lezi zinto. Let me tell you something. Bayazenza and they own these things. And another thing you need to know, umuntu omhlophe akasoze avuma ukubona umuntu omnyama above him. That's what's happening. That's why it destroy the black excellence now. Bayabanika lezi zinto, you are giving izinto ozozenjoya obunganazo bekunike kanti bayazi ukuthi bakufaka ogibeni ukuthi one day they will use yonke lento abakufundise yona osuyiyona abakhanda waba yiyona because bazokunika imali beyisebenzisa against you to bring you down. Yazi siyayithanda izinto ezinhle, siyakuthanda ubukhazikhazi, but you are afraid. It's very rare la ubukhazikhazi obuza khona nje yabo ngesilver platter. Oh, uthola ukuthi nje wena you're a billionaire, there's nothing bad behind. Baningi abasazolandelwa, baningi. Nila uzoqala ukubona khona ukuthi lento ye-secret society ikhona and iyasebenza and bakhona abantu abakuyona, they shaking even now. Abafethu lento le yokuceba yinhle kodwa asingayifuni ngeindlela ezingekho right. Ngoba even umcebo lo esulandala lo igubhu lo 11 inawo at some point uyakujingela, uyakhathala. Uyazi ngisho ngathiwa unikwa into elanda imali kodwa ekuthiwa wena fanele uphuze ubisi njalo ekseni 1 2 3 years uzokhathala ukuphuza lolu bisi. Uzokhathala ukuphuza lolu bisi. Noma liqala ubisi likuhudisa. Mase lihudisa ubisi, then it's going to be a big problem ngoba la wena ufuna uyiperform ritual yobisi ekseni. Ayikho into emnandi empilweni esheshayo neyemali elula. I rather go work hard. I rather ngitholakale lapho uthi usathi ngilapha sengilapho uthi ngisathi ngilapha ngisebenze lento engana kuphumula because ngifuna ukuphila. Le mpilo leyo ama-billionaires in I don't want to go there unless if i-creator umenzi wami wangidalela ukuthi ngifike khona ngofika kusho kuthiwa sengiyimpunga, there will be a way eyongenza ukuthi ngifike khona, kodwa le esheshayo ngiyayazi, ngilandelile, nginabangani sihlohlane nabangani ukuthi kunomuntu ophethe into ethile, asihambeni siyolanda bafowethu, sibeke imali sihlohlane sihambe sizolanda. Uma ngifika khona ngilalela imithetho ngithi this is not for me. Most of my friends mina engangikudla nabo ba-right, bayithatha izinto but zabahlupha, abanye bese ngibathwalisa izinto soyilahle emfuleni. Omunye nje sake sathwala ibhokisi lakhe elalinento phakathi sawulahle emfuleni, sathi masibuya sahlukana, mayifika endlini uyangifonela uthi hey nansi lento besoyilahla isibuyile. Isimxakile. He had everything ayifuna, kodwa lento yakhe yayingasafuni benomuntu wesifazana. Umeke wathulana nomuntu wesifazane nje vele ifike lento zigxume kuze kusembhedeni. Bafethu, impilo esheshayo ayikho right. Rather uphile ngalokho nakho. Uyabo, ulungisa idlozi lakho because umuntu udalwe wanemoya yakhe yokuphila. Just ukuthi thina sabrainwashwa, they took that away from us. Bathatha lolu lwazi labantu bakudala babeyazi ukuthi bakumele basifunde sona, bababulala labantu, babagqilaza, babafaka lenkolo manje lesicindezelela ukuthi singakwazi uku-activate ubuthina nemoya yethu liyayisenza sikwazi nathi ukuziphilisa, because black people are so rich, banobuhlakani, banako konke, but abakwazi ukusebenzisa because they've been brainwashed, banikwa ezinye izinto engazona ezabo bayilandela. And ngeke ulandele isiko lomunye umuntu ongalazi. You can't practice something that you don't know. Practice something that okhule ngayo, oyaziyo, enguwe. Yazi ngiyazi ngeke ngizwe ngizothi ngiyahlanya, but mina I've seen things. I mean, I know when the demon comes for you, how it feels. It's not a child's play. Yeah, but I know that I get to a demon. Wait until the demon comes for you. You will know what the demon is. And you'll know what umvelingang ukhona. You'll know what he fights for you. Yazi ukuthi kunezimpi eyiliwa idalwa zethu namadlozi ethu behind the scenes osingazazi thina. Kunabantu abahlezi bekubophela amancane enyathi but abaphumeleli. Ubani okulwela lezo zimpi ungazi, uthole mhlawumbe after 2 years ukuthi usibani wayehlangene nobani bezama ukubulala, ngalela langa uphuma uyogibela itest kanje kwakunomfana wayezokudubula but akwenzekanga. Awazi wena ngoba kunabantu abakulwela izimpi zakho ongazazi. And thina sikwazi lokho. All we know ukuqa phansi sibize amagama esingisi: Samson, Moses, David, Joshua, Jesus Christ, ababe belonga somewhere olubuka mfethu ngoba akaze eBhayibhelini kube khona lo muntu ekuthiwa ukhangelani. Yebo. And thina emandulo sasinganabo Jonas, sasinganabo Johannes, sasinganabo Samson, sasinganabo Moses. Those are the names avela afike nabantu bokufika. Namhlanje sibizwa uPhilip nje, wayengekho uPhilip kwaZulu. So imoya nenyanya zakithi lezi esasikwazi ukucela kuzona ezayiphethe umcebo, ngoba umcebo wethu lezi nkanyambe ivalela imicebo emgodini lapha amagolide kwakuyimicebo yethu, sasikwazi ukuxhumana nedalo, kwakunendlela yethu yokuxhumana nengcebo yethu. But today siphethwe, kunabantu abarana umhlaba, kunabantu abawuphethe umhlaba abazi yonke into. Lento esikhuluma kuyona uTikTok was created by someone who controlwa somewhere. They know ukuthi ubani abafanele bamenze abe nama numbers. Yeah, they know ukuthi ubani efanele beyibambe i-account yakhe ingakhuli. They know because bayabazi abantu abakhuluma into ekhona ukuthi lo uyasilimaza, bambana amanto madoda kuleya ndoda. That's why bayidala because bafuna ukwazi yonke into esiyikhulumayo nayo yonke into esiyenzayo. Thank you.